Walmart pickups require you to do these 3 things or it can end up with bad or damaged orders. Walmart pickups are an easier way to get groceries, especially with people with anxiety like me, or maybe you're just short on time or just plain lazy. This is what I found out from over 100 pickups at Walmart. Tell them to put your fragile items up front because of course they will break if you do not state. Usually they will not even suggest to put them up front. Fruits and vegetables should be bought in person. I'm sorry, you're taking a big gamble if you're purchasing them through pickup. Sometimes the fruit are just overripened or spoil. It seems like they're picking produce that they want to get rid of rather than what's the best for the customer. The most surprising aspect of Walmart pickups is the lies. The alternatives that they offer on the app are usually a higher price if you're on a budget, so it's best to go in the store to choose another selection. One of the worst lies that I was told was they were out of water. So I went in the store and found my case of water available. It seems the guy did not want to pick it up because it was a 40 case and it was pretty heavy. From my experience, going to the store for specific products is better than relying on pickups. When you rely on pickups, you're taking a gamble. You may or may not get those products. The best time to do pickups is usually in the morning or late at night. So I've just highlighted some crucial things to know before you decide to go on your Walmart pickup that will save you money, time, and groceries. Check out my other hack videos, such as why people park next to you in parking lots, and let me know what you think.